No one goes to Buckingham Palace expecting their life to change. They come for photos, tradition, and a moment frozen in time. But on one ordinary morning, a single quiet act of kindness turned a routine day into something unforgettable, something that reminded everyone watching that miracles don't always arrive loudly. This isn't a story about royalty or ceremony. It's a story about a human moment, so small it could have been missed, yet powerful enough to stay in the hearts of thousands who witnessed it. Before we begin, welcome to Royal Guard Heart Stories. If stories of kindness, hope, and unexpected miracles touch your heart, please subscribe, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support helps us share more real stories that remind the world how much goodness still exists. The morning air was cool as tourists gathered near the palace gates. Cameras clicked. Children whispered. A royal guard stood perfectly still, dressed in his bright red uniform and tall bearskin hat, eyes forward, posture firm. Everyone knew the rule: guards do not react. They do not speak. They do not move. Among the crowd was an elderly woman visiting from the United States. She had waited years for this trip. Her husband had passed away months earlier, and this journey was something they once dreamed of together. Standing there, she felt close to him, close to the world again. As she stepped forward to get a better view, her foot caught the edge of the pavement. In a second, her balance was gone. Her body tilted forward, panic flashing across her face as her purse slipped from her hand. Gasps rose from the crowd. Before anyone else could react, something unexpected happened. The royal guard moved, breaking protocol. He stepped forward and reached out, steadying the woman before she hit the ground. His gloved hand held her arm firmly but gently. The crowd fell silent, stunned by what they were seeing. The woman looked up at him, eyes wide, shaking from fear and embarrassment. For a brief moment, the guard looked directly at her. His face remained serious, but his eyes were calm and reassuring. He helped her regain her balance, nodded once to make sure she was steady, then returned to his position as if nothing had happened. But everything had happened. Tears filled the woman's eyes. She pressed a hand to her chest, overwhelmed. Later, she would say that in that moment, she felt seen, not as a tourist, not as a stranger, but as a person who mattered. The crowd erupted into applause. Some wiped their eyes. Others lowered their phones, realizing they had just witnessed something rare and deeply human. That small act didn't make headlines because it broke rules. It mattered because it broke through something else: distance, formality, and the invisible walls we often place between ourselves and others. For the guard, it may have felt like nothing more than instinct. A choice made in a split second. But for the woman, it was a reminder that she wasn't alone in the world. That even in her grief, kindness could still find her. She later shared that after losing her husband, she struggled to feel safe and hopeful again. That simple moment gave her courage. It restored her faith in people. It reminded her that compassion still lives in unexpected places, and for everyone watching, the lesson was clear: you don't need to say a word to change someone's day. You don't need permission to be kind. Sometimes, the smallest gesture, a hand reached out, a pause, a moment of care, can become a miracle in someone else's story. That royal guard returned to his duty, still and silent. But the impact of what he did kept moving, spreading from person to person, heart to heart. As you go about your day, remember this story. Remember that kindness doesn't require attention or applause. It only requires courage and compassion. You never know who is standing beside you, quietly carrying a heavy heart, and you never know how powerful your small act might be. Let's choose kindness. Let's be the miracle someone else needs today. Red Heart.